this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Expobar here. So this machine had a leak coming from these two elbows right here, and from that hose to the two elbows. So I replaced that, two brand new elbows, and then I gave the machine a tune-up, and actually the boiler did have a lot of scale buildup in it. So I just used the descaler to remove all of that, and I backflushed the group head, which did also have a lot of coffee buildup, so I'm glad I was able to remove all that coffee. And then I deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, and cleaned the portafilter and basket, and wiped on the whole machine. So I'm just going to pull a shot just to show you that the machine is working. This is just our test coffee, so it may not come out as like the perfect shot, but it's just to show you that everything is working. Okay, so there's that shot. And then show you the steam. And right here. And since that shot came out a bit fast, I wasn't able to get to that 9 bars of pressure just because of the way the coffee was ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to put a blind basket in there and show you that it can get up to that 9 or even 10 bars of pressure. Alright, now I've got that blind basket in so we can see the full 9 bars of pressure. Take a minute to build up the pressure, and there we go. So this one is going to go all the way up to 12, but it won't do that obviously when you have the espresso in there. There'll be some coffee coming out, right? So there we can see the pressure is released, so we know that the pump is working, and that's about it. Thanks for watching this video.